But again, this is based. It used to be.
No, the guardian ad litems were not directly employed by the courts in the...
No, they're contractual employees, and I would say for the last 2 or 3 years, I think if you look, they have been returning about 60% of their contract costs. In other words, we charge for their services, so we return about 60% of their costs.
But again, this is based on it's time to give employees a raise. They're contract employees, but you built in a raise basically for them as well, right? Okay.
That's a 5%.
So that's Judge, one other question. When we had a conversation not too long ago, I can't remember who it was, but one of you at least expressed some concern about being able to track expenditures for reporting.
Right.
Is that something that you've been able to work out and live within this structure, or is it something that
it's an ongoing process that we're going to have to try to work through? These reports don't match up with the state reports.
Right. So, just as a matter of information for everybody, it may be that over time, if we can't get the state reports to fit within our budget structure, we may have to make some tweaks to this to allow them to be able to track each individual court's expenditures for the reports that they have to do for the state.
I might add, I did attend a courts administrator meeting on behalf of the judges a month or 6 weeks ago, and there's an ongoing effort at state court administration, because they recognize that across the state, to work on that as well. The magnitude of it, I think, is much more than just realigning numbers. So it is an ongoing project that they've taken on as well, so there might be some technical assistance that their reports is kind of maybe a compromise between the quarterly reports that the courts do and kind of the systematic reporting.
And I guess I just want to make clear that as we made some of these changes for the sake of efficiencies, we certainly didn't intend to create any additional work for you guys, and so if it comes to pass that we need to make adjustments, please don't hesitate to bring those up so that we can talk about them and work out something that works for everybody.